Begin by sketching a simple hill shape for the barrow and add an arc below where the ground will be. The barrow will be in a side view perspective as if you are looking at it from ground level. These lines will only serve as a guide, so make sure you create them on their layer if you're working digitally or use a pencil. Create a new layer and draw stones in front of the barrow hill. Be sure to make the stones look a little jagged and rough, so they look hand-cut and weathered. The next thing to do is make the barrow hill look a little more grassy, and to add the entrance, use rough vertical strokes to give the natural texture to the barrow. Don't worry about it looking too perfect, as it should have a sense of randomness. With the shape of the barrow done, you can flesh out the final details to give the illustration more texture. Begin replacing the sketch line for the ground with some more vertical strokes to give the impression of grass in front of the stones. With the line work of your barrow done, the next step is to add some color. Since we are using an aged paper texture for the background, we will use that as our base so that our color palette matches.